Hi, welcome to the video. I am Srikanth from second year BCom of KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we will see the holding company accounts introduction content from the paper Advanced Corporate Accounting. Topic covered in this video are meaning, definition, example and steps involved in the preparation of consolidated balance sheet of holding company accounts. First, we will see the meaning and definition of holding company. Holding company is one which control one or more and other companies by means of holding majority shares or controlling the composition of board of directors or controlling a holding company which subsidiaries. The Indian Company Act does not define a holding company directly. Section 4, subsection 4 of the Company Act says a company shall be deemed to be the holding company of the another, if but only if that another is subsidiary. From the definition, it is understood that the holding company is named as so only if it is as a subsidiary company. Meaning and definition of subsidiary company. According to Section 4, subsection 1 of the Companies Act, a company is a subsidiary of another company if but only if the other company controls the composition of its board of directors or the other company holds more than half in nominal value of its equity shares capital, or if it is a company formed before 1st April 1956 with both equity and preference shareholders having the same voting rights, the other companies or controls more than half of its voting power, or it is subsidiary of any company which is that other company's subsidiary. It is understood that the holding company gets the rights of a company, then it is said as a subsidiary company. Now we will see the example that is said as a subsidiary company and sub-subsidiary company. If a company A is subsidiary of company B and company C is a subsidiary of company A, then company C becomes subsidiary from company B also indirectly. Such a subsidiary may be called sub-subsidiary company. The next is about the steps involved in the preparation of consolidated balance sheet. That is, the balance sheet is prepared after coming the subsidiary and holding company balance sheet together in a consolidated format. The first is that the computation of holding ratio and minority ratio. Step 2 is the ascertaining pre-acquisition profit, which is also said as a capital profit. Step 3 is the computation of post-acquisition profit, which is also said as a revenue profit. Step 4 is the computation of minority interest amount. Next step, that is the fifth step, is the computation of goodwill or cost of control or capital reserve. Step 6 is the calculation and elimination of unrealized profit included in stock. Step 7 is the elimination of intercompany debits. The final and the 8th step is that the preparation of consolidated balance sheet. The liability are recorded in the order as share capital, reserve and surplus, secured loan, unsecured loan, current liability and provisions. The assets are recorded in the order as fixed asset, investment, current asset, loan and advances, miscellaneous expenditure and losses. So in this video we having seen meaning, definition and steps in the preparation of consolidated balance sheet. Thank you.